Hi friends, Radhika Ravikuma here. So in this tutorial we'll see how we can create foreign key in a table. So first of all let us fetch the details like fetch the data from our table that is previously created. Select star from employee DT. This is what was our table name. So you can see that the values are inserted. So this employee ID is our primary key for employee detail table. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another table and I'm going to make this employee detail as a foreign key for my department table. Okay, so let us see how we can create a foreign key. But before that, where exactly foreign keys are used is whenever in your companies you want to create some reports, and at that time the values are there in the different tables. Whatever values you need, those are there in different tables, and you want to merge it. That time these foreign keys will come into use. As the tutorials keeps on going, you'll understand. We'll come up with some more good examples where foreign keys are used. So this is a very important concept, foreign key. So we'll start creating a table now then. So I'm going to create a table as usual, like say create table, a table name. So our table name is going to be department detail. Okay, so open the bracket. Then here I'm going to give the primary key of my department table. So obviously it's going to be department number, then followed by it's an integer value, then it's going to be not null because it's a primary key, then say primary key. Okay, after this I'm going to say department name. Department name is going to be varchar data type. So let us give a size of some 15. Then next I'm going to say, so I'm going to create a foreign key, right? So I'm going to name the same way how it is in employee detail table. So I'm going to say employee ID, then followed by it's an integer type. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, this is how we are going to specify your foreign key. Okay, so I'm going to say foreign key. Okay, and within the bracket, open and close the bracket. Within the bracket, tell which one is your foreign key. So we all know that employee ID is a foreign key, right? The employee ID of this table, department. Okay, department detail table, this are foreign keys. That is what I'm specifying here. It's employee ID. Then next I'm going to say references to which table. We are saying that foreign key and the column which is going to be the foreign key column, that is employee ID of our table, this department detail, references to which table of which column. So we know that our reference table is going to be employee detail, and what is the column name over there? We know it's employee ID, right? We can see it here. You can see that employee ID is our column name. So this is how you will be creating a foreign key. Then close the bracket, ended by semicolon, and enter. You can see the table is created. So this is how you will be creating a foreign key. Again I'll tell you, just say foreign key, then followed by the your column name, which is going to be a foreign key, references to the table that employee detail table, then followed by that employee details table column, that is employee ID. Okay, so our table is ready now. So we need to insert values into it. So as usual, we know that for inserting values we say insert into department underscore detail, open bracket. Then here the first table is department number, right? I'll say 10 comma department name, something like accounts. Okay, then followed by next is our employee ID. So we know that 101 is an, you need to give these values. If you give some other values, like apart from, see, you can see 101, 102, 103, 104, right? If you give some other values like 105, then it obviously gives some error. You can see that sorry before this we need to say values. Then you can see that there's an integrity constraint. This is how the error will be, that is, you need to give whatever values that is already present in the employee detail. Okay, so let us change this to 101. You can see one row is inserted. So this is how you need to insert values, and let us select star from our department table. You can see value is already inserted, and this is employee ID is going to be our foreign key. So we can make use of these different tables to join. We can join these different tables. Sorry, you'll come to know where we can use it in further tutorials. Okay, okay then, thanks for watching my video. Bye.